If you're having issues with connectivity with your ECU and a bunch of other problems like electric wise, you'll definitely need to check over the system grounds in the engine bay. So on the WRX and STI, they have the aluminum intake manifold. This one's got a plastic, so they've moved the grounds. The WRX and STI will have a ground here and a ground here. So on the plastic manifolds, they've moved them deeper, so they're right underneath the brake master cylinder. There's two of them. There's grounds on the inner fender line. There's also a couple running on the runners on the frame. You'll see one down there for the ground for the starter solenoid, and it'll be bolted right to the back of the short block right above the starter. And once all your grounds are tight and clean, you should magically have connectivity with your ECM.